Good morning guys. Today is anong araw? Anong araw na naman? It's November 5, 7:52 ng umaga. Ano tayo guys? Pa-work tayo ngayon. Yung work ko is 8 in the morning. So, in 8 minutes dapat nandun ako. So yeah, Martin's here. Say hi dong. Say hi ba? Say hi.
Kæft.
Say hi, good. Say hi.
Hej vloggen!
Hi vlog. Na malapit na tayo guys. Hindi tayo malilate today. Medyo ano talaga, very uncomfortable ako pag nalilate. Pero that's very, very rarely na nalilate ako. Kasi mga tao dito sa pinagtatabuhan ko guys, mga ano, basta mga stricto pa. Anyway, so yun. See you a bit later pag may time na naman. Mabilisan lang i-touch. Edi konde? What are you doing? That's fine. What you got there? Is it like both?
Mine. Try.
Then we exchange then.
Try this one if you like it first.
Because, you know, I'm okay with some.
It's also spicy.
I think it's just you who got problem with your mouth. I think it's the same taste.
It's not. It's not.
Do you like it? Is bacon too spicy?
I got
What you got is chicken? Very spicy. Did you taste mine?
not so spicy.
Can you miss what you never have known? And can you
You got ambitions.
answer shame like a moth to the flame?
Cashier.
Can you know
You know, my brothers in the MERS, right? Their chef is Indian. So their food is like like this. But there's also some Filipino food sometimes, but mostly it's Indian food. This type of food, it's like buffet. Yeah, lining up there, bread, rice, that. Today. And then we got the same shoes.
Shoes.
Yeah, this color black Skechers. Yeah, it's very nice. But if it costed 1K, I'm never gonna buy it. Like, it's just shoes.
Maybe, maybe.
Can a bird take flight in the sky with no
Apply to the vlog.
Hi guys, nakarating na din kami dito sa bahay guys. Okay. Karating na kami dito sa bahay, as in just now. Tapos, ano ba? Yeah, kumain kami ng Indian food. Ano siya, maliit na parang take away lang siya, pero may space na pwedeng magkain. So, doon kami, and then, yeah, it was actually good food. Pero ang mahal guys, namahalan ako. I mean, for 2 people, we paid 615 kroner. Ang mahal. Ay! Anyway, masarap naman siya, so okay lang. So, yon. Yeah, so now nasa bahay na ako, and ano ba? Yeah, I'm just gonna close this vlog now, as if naman you care. Pero I will close it now kasi, ano ba, para makapag-relax na ako guys, because tomorrow is another day, another work. Yon. See you. Thank you so much for watching. Blah, blah.